Hey guys, I got one more here from ELAMAS. They sent me so much for the Halloween season. I am so grateful to you, ELAMAS. Thank you very much for letting me show off all of these really cool products. And this is no exception. This is their Halloween animated Tombstone. It's got light effects, head moving, spooky sound effects. It's sound activated, requires 3 AA batteries. Let's open this up and check it out. Okay, this is a Tombstone. So that should be all that's in here, and that's all in the box there. Wrapped up in some plastic. And this is a plastic type of Tombstone. You got a Reaper type head here with some creepy cloth. Got some hands on there. There's a try me button. And the sensor is right there. Battery box in the back. There's your speaker for your sound. It has off, on, or demo. And of course, it is really cool looking. This is actually a thick, heavy duty type of plastic here. So this thing feels really cool. Now let's get an overall measurement. The widest point is at the bottom. It's just over 11 1/4, about 11 3/8 wide. And we'll go for the height here. It is just at 15 1/2 inches at the highest point. So it's not a real big one, but it is a real cool looking one. And this definitely doesn't feel like a cheap little Tombstone that you would throw out in the yard. This actually feels really good. Let's get some batteries in here and check this thing out. All right, I've got 3 AA batteries in here. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to demo and we'll check this out. Looks like the eyes have LEDs there. I imagine they're gonna be red, but we're about to find out here. So it's on demo. We'll go ahead and hit the try me button and check this out.
Oh, where do you think you're going? Come back here!
So it definitely doesn't sound spooky, but it looks really cool. Let's check it out from the side just to see how much that head pops out there.
Oh, where do you think you're going? Come back here!
I think this thing's actually kind of cool. I love how that head pops out. It's got a really cool kind of creepy little movement. It does not sound scary at all, but I think when somebody passes by this, it's definitely going to catch their attention. So I do like that. Let's go ahead and do the try me one more time here.
Oh, where do you think you're going? Come back here!
Those LEDs sure are bright. All right, I'm going to turn it to the on mode. It's probably going to go off as soon as I put it on there. And then once it goes through, we'll give a clap or something like that and see how it goes off.
Oh, where do you think you're going?
So as soon as you turn it on, it's going to go through a setup there. Box says sound activation, but if I run my hand in front of that sensor to go through the light, which is shining at me right now, it's going to go off. So
Oh, where do you think you're going?
it's also light activated. Pretty loud when you're behind it with the speaker back there. I want to see how
Where do
it
you
is.
think you're going? Come back here!
Nice and loud, actually. I think this thing is pretty cool. You put this right next to your walkway, trick-or-treaters going by is going to set this off, and I guarantee it's going to give them a little bit of a jolt just from that movement.
Oh, where do you think you're going? Come back here!
It comes down pretty quick, so it is pretty cool.
Oh, where do you think you're going?
I like it.
Back here!
I like this thing. I think this is a great little jump scare type of decoration. This is going to fit into your more friendly and even your scarier yard haunts. This is a win-win from ELAMAS. Absolutely love this thing. It is a simple, easy decoration. There is no setup. I mean, you pull it out of the box, you put batteries in it, go sit it out. You may need to like throw a little stake down there just to help it stand up, but it's got some weight to the bottom, so as long as you put this on a fairly level surface, I wouldn't imagine it's going to just fall over. A little good bit of wind is definitely going to blow it over, so you may just want to have, you know, some kind of stake going in that hole right there on the bottom, or even just drill a couple holes here on the sides and throw a couple of yard stakes in there. So if you're looking for any kind of tombstone decorations, you might as well get a tombstone that is lit, animated, and has sound. Of course, this is only about 15.5 inches tall, so it's not going to be real big, but if this size fits what you're looking for, this is a great option. So thank you once again, ELAMAS, for a really cool product, and thank you everybody for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.